In a dense, vibrant forest, there lived a small but wise jumping spider named Sam. Sam was admired by all for his agility and quick reflexes, but he often felt that something was missing in his life. One day, while basking in the sunlight on a tall, leafy branch, Sam noticed a juicy fly buzzing nearby. Without a second thought, he leaped toward it, but just as he was about to catch it, the wind blew, and the fly escaped. Feeling frustrated, Sam asked himself, "Why am I so quick and yet I still can't catch what I want?" He felt a pang of envy toward the birds, who could fly and catch their prey effortlessly. One day, an old and wise owl named Oliver noticed Sam's distress. "My young friend," said Oliver, "your quick leaps are a gift. Learn to use them wisely." Sam asked, "But how, Owl? I can't seem to catch my prey." Oliver replied, "You jump too soon, my friend. Patience is a virtue. Wait for the right moment, and you will catch what you seek." Sam took Oliver's advice to heart. The next day, he saw another fly. Instead of leaping immediately, he waited. And when the wind died down, he leaped. This time, he caught the fly in mid-air. Delighted, Sam thanked Oliver. "Now I understand," he said. "I was jumping without a plan. Now I jump with purpose." From that day forward, Sam became a master of his gifts. He learned that leaping without a plan was like wandering without a purpose. And with patience and wisdom, he caught not just flies, but also the lessons life had to offer. Moral asterisk: leap with purpose, not just for the sake of leaping. Patience and wisdom guide us to our goals.